Hi everyone, welcome to RPA Explorers channel.
We're going to see how you can request your personal developer instance on ServiceNow. Before we actually see how you can request your instance, let's understand what is PDI and why do we need this. PDI, which is nothing but a personal developer instance, which ServiceNow offers for free to every developers where we can test, explore skills, improve your skills on the Now platform. In general, you can make use of this PDF to explore different things on the Now platform. And also you can use this for your testing and development purposes, but it is not intended for your business process or for an actual production process. Now let's see how you can request your instance. So you can go to the developer.servicenow.com and then you can click on sign in if you already have your ServiceNow ID or ServiceNow account. In case you don't have your ServiceNow ID, you can request it from here. You can just quickly sign up. So you just have to provide your basic details like first name, last name, email address and everything. Once you click on sign up, you will be receiving an email to the registered email ID, which is this. So you just have to click on this verify email to complete your setup. So once your ServiceNow ID is ready, you can directly log into this page. So I'll quickly log in with my existing account. So you can click on sign in. Then you can provide the email address. So once you sign in, you can see this home page of the developer screen where you can click on this my account option to see what are the different options available. As we don't have any instance available now, we are not getting any option. So the first step is to request a PDI instance. So click on this, and then where you can see multiple options available to choose the latest release. So I'm choose this Uta release. So let's click on this and you can click on request. This takes a couple of minutes, and also you can see the status from here. So it will turn in when the instance is ready. So let's wait for that. Ready, you can see this pop-up where you can see the instance URL and your credentials, username and password. So you can directly click on this open instance to open your instance for the very first time. So let me click on this open instance. Okay, so when you click on open instance, you can see this page of the Now platform. So from here you can do everything by navigating to this different platform here. And now let's go back to the ServiceNow developer page to understand the different instance actions available. So when you click on this my account tab, you can see different options available where you can see your instance status, which is online. So if it is online, you can see it completely turns into green. If not, it will be trying to wake up. Then you can use this refresh instance to refresh your instance again, and you can see the release as well. In case in future you want to upgrade your instance, you can use this upgrade instance choosing the latest release. Then you can upgrade your instance as well. And also you have an option to change your user role by going into this option, which is change user role, where you have different options, that is app engine, studio creator or admin. By choosing this admin, it will always open you directly to this Now platform. So make sure you have this option enabled. And in case you want to change your password or reset your instance password, you can go with this option, which is manage instance password. So you can like reset your password or send a copy of this data to your email. And also you can activate your plugin, like we have different plugins by default. So in case you need, you can go and activate your plugins too. If you need a fresh instance with no data, then you can go with this release instance and choose the option which you want, and you can in this instance. In that way, the current instance which you have used will be go back to the pool, and you can request a new instance from the first. So this is about the instance option. So you can see different options being available here. And also one more thing, when you open your instance, if you see that your instance is hibernating, then make sure you click on this refresh instant or wait for some time to wake up. It will automatically wake up in a couple of minutes. So this is about this my account options. And in future, in order to open your ServiceNow instance, you can directly use the instance URL, or you can come to this developer platform and click on this start building option or the start building option from here. I hope you all find this video useful. So we'll see in the next video. Thank you.